So, good morning, everyone. So, let us start here today with the incremental loading practical. So, as per, yes, guys, tell me, please. As per this, let us start with the practical here, guys. So, I'm just starting up. So, here I'm using it. Incremental load. Incremental loading. Okay, incremental loading. The topic name is here today. I'm using it as a incremental loading. The case study. Guys, everyone, the case study. And the case study is whatever we have it. So then we have the title of the case study. Incremental loading. Guys, everyone, and then you have what's it? Specifications. Specifications are here. Then guys, you have the source. Okay. So guys, I'm using the source data storage. Source data storage. All of you, source data storage. And the source data storage is the Azure SQL database, Azure SQL database. And now guys, I'm using the source table as it is the okay, as it is the table. So I'm using the source data storage or the source table as the course. Okay, the course, and the next one you have it here as a sync data storage. Yes, all of you, am I audible, guys?
Yes, Samir.
Sync data storage, that is called as what? Azure SQL database. And uh, the target table. And now guys, here you want what's that? ESTG underscore course. This is the, can you see here? This is the, these are the specifications you can say for the session here. So guys, this is a very, a good amount of case study. Even you can put it in your resume directly, this case study. You can explain it to him, okay? Because it's really, okay, used in the, okay, the implementation life cycle.
In real time also we will use the same thing, Samir. SQL database, SQL database.
Hmm. But the only thing is that this will won't create it. Already it will be there mostly.
Okay.
Mostly it will be there. So you won't create it because database, we don't define it. It's the job of the database programmer and all. Okay, so anyway, so I'll give you the first step. What is that you have to do? Guys, everyone. Now guys, the first one is the first step I can say. create after this. After this, defining the specifications, everyone, the first thing which you have to do, specification includes what is it? Tell me now. Specifications includes what? Tell me now. Hello? Yes, guys. Specifications includes what? Source and the target. Am I right?
Yeah, that's correct.
So now I'm using create watermark table. Today I'm using the watermark table, okay? Not the bookmark. I'm using the watermark table.
Is there any different with watermark and bookmark tables?
Yes, watermark table. That stores the last that stores the last processed value from current pipeline run. From current pipeline run. Okay. So this is nothing but the thing you have it, which you have to do. Create a watermark table that updates the last process value from the current pipeline run. That means after the pipeline is executed, the value should be changed here. Okay, so that's it. And the next one is how this is going to happen. So for that, I'm using create uh create what? A stored procedure.
So,
Create a stored procedure that updates updates the last processed last process value from the current pipeline run. That's it. So these are the two important things you have to do it after the basic specifications are ready for this. Okay, everyone. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Now, let's try to create some code here. So just a minute. I'll just a minute. First of all, I'll create the services. I'm sharing it once again, the screen and all. So guys, once it is shared here, can you see? I'm just creating a just open this. Open this, all of you. Now even this one's to open this. Okay, the next one is open this one. So guys, the first one, let's start with the resource group. Click on the create. And now provide the incremental incremental loading RG. So guys, just copy this, copy this. That means created everyone. The resource group is ready. So now I'm starting up the services because the services will take some time. So guys, I'm just using the Azure SQL database here. Yeah, everyone is there. Please say something, yes or no.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm just using the create blade. So guys, select the resource group. And now guys, you provide the database name. So I'm using the database name as what?
Durga sir.
No, database name is source
Database
only.
name. Source.
I'll use the source DB simple. Why do we use that? Source DB. And the server name, let us define it here. Server name, you have to give it like this, Durga Soft server. This is accepting, fine guys. So use authentication and now use it as Durga admin. Of the password is Samir capital 1234. Again the same Samir 1234. That's it guys. Click on OK.
Pricing tags.
So pricing tier you have to yeah, pricing tier you got it. So now if you at all you want to reduce the pricing tier, come down and select the configure database. Select it here, basic less demanding workloads. And now use it here, reduce. Okay, let it be what happens here. Click on apply. And now guys, click on the networking tab. Allow the firewall settings. Click on review and click on the create. Everyone, we have it here. This is fine now. It's validating. Just a minute, wait for some time so that it completes the validation process. So guys, this is the first one. Again, the next one, I'm leaving the second tab and just going to the ADF now. Now I'll start the ADF. Click on the create. And now guys, start this. And again, use it here. Incremental. RG. No RG. Incremental loading. Process. Okay, guys, so that's it. And again, the next one after this, let the first database create. So we will create the second database on top of the first one. Okay. Meanwhile, the data factory is ready. Just go to this one now. And launch the studio. So guys, the database is ready. Open this. So here is the Durga soft is the server, and we have the source database. Okay, and yeah, the source is ready now. Go to the another tab. Again, create another database on the same server. Or else we can use different servers if you want, no problem. Okay, guys, then afterwards here, can you see? Click on the server name.
Server name.
Very good.
Read it.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, now all of you.
Sync database.
So now guys give the database name. So I'm giving the database name as
Sync.
target DB. Am I right? Target DB. That's it. Any name you can give it. Sync DB also you can give it. Select the configuration. And now the configuration is here. Select the less demanding workloads. Click on apply. And click on this. What's it I want? Networking tab. Allow the firewall settings. Review it. So basic we have done now already. Just check anything is left out, guys. Once more, verified.
Public endpoint, I think.
Now we have done that also. Yeah, we have already allowed now.
Yeah,
So
okay.
yeah, because that is the first one is default. Click on the review
Okay.
and now create it.
Samir, in real time, we won't handle this database.
Yes, you won't handle this basically. You will not be handling in the real time. You will not be handling the database and all
And
because for
pricing tag also.
yeah, pricing tire all this. That's not your job basically. But
Okay.
here you should know now. That's the thing. If we don't do this here, who is going to do it for us? Am I right? As
Okay.
your practicing purpose, so I'm using all this. Okay. So anyways, the source is ready. Here, click on the editor window. and log in here by using Samir 1234. Simple, open this. Now guys, the source database is ready. That's it. Now guys, sync database, the sync database is also ready. Open this. Now click on the query editor. Now provide it here. Samir 1234. Click on OK. Now this is ready, guys. So let us start the scripting now. Okay. Already I have some script that I will get it here. Okay. Just go to this videos or classes is there, no? Class videos. These are all the videos. Complete videos, I think so. Not the videos, but instead Azure classes. Yeah. Here you will have it incremental loading. You will have the scripts here. So instead of in writing all the codes, I have written already some script is there. All of you. Type it here, incremental. INCRE. Incremental. Yes. You got it now? Yes, guys. So I'm just opening. Okay. Now here you have it. The script is here. This is the basic script you have it. So I'm just copying the basic script, creating the table and all. Okay, guys. So I'm using the course table creation, and then I'm creating the watermark table. Okay. Then have a script of creating the stored procedure as well. So I'm just copying all this, but we will just go as per this, the same script. Okay. So I'm using it here. Step one by one, guys, because I don't want to rush up on this. Whatever it may be, we have to do it in a ways that we understand it. So first of all, I'm using the script. Script to create. Script to create. What is that? Tell me now. Course table. Am I right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So course table should be there in the sync or source system. Source
in the
system.
source system.
So here you have it. Just come back. So here, guys, I can go ahead here and just paste it here. Source only, na? Paste it. Now, guys, that's it. Run now. Run this now. Okay. So now next one. What's the next command you have it? Select star from. Yes, tell me.
From table name, course table.
Course.
Very good. Select a star from course. And now click on this. Got it, everyone?
Yeah, got it. Now, next step, guys. The next step, I'm creating the watermark table. So for that, I'm using create table watermark. Okay. I'm creating a watermark table. So I'm just giving it here. Okay. I'll comment for everything. That's better now. Okay, guys. Creating the what's it? Course. Table.
Yeah, table. Everybody just concentrate. This is a very important exercise. Then this is the exercise which you will use it very frequently in the real time. Creating the watermark table. That's it, creating the watermark table. So now create watermark table underscore name is varchar 30. Last processed value is integer. Then insert into that because initially it will have a value of 0. Okay, that's it. Now you want to see this one also. Select a star from. Yes, select a star from what?
Watermark.
Watermark. Select a star from watermark. Okay, now guys, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now it's ready.
Yes.
So the both tables are ready. Now, this watermark table should change the value from 0 to the updated value. So suppose I'm entering 3 rows. So it should change the LPV as what? Tell me now, 0 from 0 to what is it? 3 or not?
Yes.
How it should happen automatically? So for that, we have to write a stored procedure. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So for that, I'm writing it. Creating the stored procedure which updates the watermark table. So I'm writing it here again. Creating watermark table. Sorry, creating stored procedure which updates the watermark table. That's it. So I'm pasting it. Create procedure USP underscore watermark with one parameter called @LPV. Okay. So I'm using it again. I'm using another one @table and varchar as begin update watermark set last process value is equal to @LPV table underscore name is equal to @table and finally the end here with a semicolon. Okay, guys, everyone. So select it here. Run this. The stored procedure is also ready here. Everyone, okay? Clear now, guys? Hello?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
Shamir.
Shamir, what is the different watermark and bookmark table?
I will tell you.
On this.
See, basically this is incremental load. You have it, what is that? Based on the LPV. Date-based incremental loading also you have it. If you have date-based incremental loading, where date required to be stored and all those things, then we go with the bookmark table. Then you go with the bookmark table rather than using the watermark table. Okay.
Okay, only database then only used in the bookmark table.
For this example also we can use it. There is a slight difference. I will tell you. Wait. Okay. So now here we can have what's it? The date-based loading also we can see it. Now, guys, I'm using it. Select the star from watermark. Now select the star from watermark. So I'm just selecting here the star from watermark. When I select the star from watermark, see, run this. It will give you course and 0. Okay. So now next one, what is it? You have it. Guys, everyone, see here we have a 0. So next, what is it I wanted to do is I want to see, you can see here, select this max. That means I'm just I want here, everyone. I want here select max operator. I'm using max of course ID as max CID. That means I'm declaring an alias name here. I'm declaring an alias name. Why? Whatever the course ID you receive it, that course ID I wanted to store it in another column called, what is that? Max underscore CID from course table. See, currently it will have 0 only, but the column name will be changed here. You can say max CID. Okay. Get the max of course ID, and after getting the max of course ID, store that value in another variable called what? Max CID from the course table. Getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So that is the thing we have it. Okay. Last process value we have find out, everything is ready now. Okay. So now, guys, I'm going back to the development part. So just launch it. Guys, expand it here. Tell me now. First, we have to define the link services. So I'm going to this manage. And now click on the linked services. So here I'm giving it the first one as SQL. Tell me.
SQLD, Azure SQL.
Yes, SQL DB. So use it here. ls underscore SQL DB underscore sync. Sorry. Source.
Yeah.
And now select it here, the source table, subscription ID, everything, server name, then database name. And now give it here. Samir123 and just paste it here. That's it, guys. Click on the create. Now the next one is what's it? New. Now use it here. What again? SQL.
Well,
Select the SQL and now, guys, use it here. ls underscore SQL DB underscore sync. So now select it here as it is. Server name, the same server name I'm using it. Database name is target DB. And now give the name here as Durga admin. Password is the Samir 1234. Yes. Test the connections. Click on the create. That's it. The two link services are ready here, guys. Everyone.
yes.
So,
Yes.
So step by step we'll move it, guys. Don't worries, okay? Don't worries, no worries about the things and all. So now what I will do is
Go to author.
go to the author now.
Create data sets.
No, nothing data sets. Directly create the pipeline today. Don't
Okay.
disturb data sets because in this process, how many data sets we require to create when I don't know that. So for that, currently, it's not a best practice to create data sets first.
Okay. Okay.
So use it, what's it, a pipeline first. So PL underscore incremental loading. That's it, PL underscore incremental loading. Okay, guys, so this is ready now. Hmm?
Okay.
That's it. So once this is ready, so just let us start the first activity here. Now
Copy
tell me,
data.
what is the first activity we require to do it?
Copy data
Suppose this
items.
database, just a minute, wait. First of all, suppose let us say this database is not created by you and me. How many tables are there? What are the things you have it? I don't know that. Do I know that?
No,
No.
So I don't know that. So for that, what is that? How to know that?
by using lookup.
Uh,
By using
Lookup.
lookup, we can find out.
Very good. By using what is that? Lookup.
Lookup.
So you have to find out because you're an ADF engineer. You don't know who created the database, how many tables is there in the database. Huh?
Yeah.
Who created the database? What are the number of tables created in the database? What are the things you have in the database? You don't know anything, guys. You are just an ADF engineer, but
Yes.
you don't know the status of the source and you will not have the access even to go to the database and check. Am I right?
Yes.
How to do that in such case?
Lookup activity.
Yeah, so use an activity called what is that? Lookup activity. So use an activity called what is that, guys? Lookup activity. So how to use the lookup activity? Just tell me now. Lookup on database. So let's use it here. What's it?
Lookup,
So I will use it. Lookup,
just drag and cut.
drag and drop. So lookup again. I'll take two lookup activities. Two lookup activities. I'll take it. So why? That means I wanted to look up first of all on the source table. Okay. So here I'm using, can you see here? The lookup activity. I'm using the lookup activity. First of all, can you see here? All of you. So I'm using the, just a minute. I'm using, can you see here? The first lookup, I'm designing it to get the max course ID to update it, okay, to update my watermark table as the watermark table having a common column used by the LPV column. Okay, that is update watermark set last underscore process underscore value what's that table where table underscore name is equal to at the rate table. And second lookup, I wanted to use it here, lookup to return the last process value for the incremental extraction or for the incremental extraction. That is select the star from watermark where course ID is greater than LPV. Getting my point? All of you, why I'm designing this, tell me now. Yes?
Sorry, you can repeat again.
Guys, excuse me 1 minute, I'll be back.
Yeah, please.
There.
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, suddenly I thought I got freezed, but I think he is not there, right?
Yeah, it is in the middle class only event, I think. Anyone ping me in the group? Like,
Tell me.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, you are telling something. Please tell me.
Nothing.
Okay, guys. So now, okay. So here you have it. Okay. So here you have it. I want to design two lookup activities. So one lookup activity. Okay, the one lookup activity, I wanted to design it here. Okay, lookup on course table. Lookup on which table here? First lookup. I'm designing it to look up on the course table to get the max course ID. How to get the max course ID? I showed you already the script I have given you. How to get the max course ID. What is that? Where we have it? Tell me now. I've already written also, no? Just check here. Here, tell me. Select max of course ID and as max CID from course. Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So to track the max course ID, I'm using one lookup, and the second lookup I'm using it for what? Yes, guys. The second lookup I'm using it for what? For what purpose? So let us see here. The second lookup I'm using it for the purpose that is nothing but use lookup to return the last process value. To return the LPV, that is last process value, I'm designing it. Okay, I'm designing it. The second lookup here. Okay, first
Yeah.
lookup is to get what is that max course ID.
Max
Okay.
course ID.
Second lookup is to look up on what is that
Last process
watermark
value.
table. What is that? LPV. What is it? Last processed value. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now clear, guys. Everyone, please answer the question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so now let's go ahead and do it. Your two lookups are there. So let's go here, everyone. The second one will return the LPV and the first one will return the max course ID. Okay.
Sure.
So let's go here and check it off.
Samir, in lookup, we will use only select statement or we can use in procedure also.
Procedure, we don't use it.
Procedure we won't use.
I don't think so. Anyways, can you see here? Lookup is only for looking up. So I'm using first name, I'm using it. LKP. LKP underscore get max course ID. That means I'm designing the lookup to get the max course ID. That's it. Okay. Then afterwards, select the settings. You don't have first row only means it will check only the first row. So let it be first row only. What happens? Okay. So second one, I'm just giving it to. I'm giving the two lookups names so that you will not have any confusions. LKP means lookup, guys. LKP watermark. LKP watermark underscore
LPB.
get LPV. What's that? Get LPV. That's it, guys.
Yeah.
So now again go to the first one. And now select it here. Now click on the create tab.
Your database.
Yeah, select the database. So here database is what? Tell me now.
Source data.
So SQL na.
Yeah, SQL.
Under the SQL, you will have the source database. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
that's right.
So select it here. DS underscore
SQL DB underscore source.
SQL DB underscore source. Select it here. And now here, let's not use anything. So just click OK because I want to write some customized query here. Okay, guys, you can write in the lookup, you can also write the stored procedure here. Okay, so there is an option called writing the stored procedure. So it's possible here. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Then we can take one lookup, right, Samir? If we write the stored procedure, these two conditions we can put in one stored procedure, right?
Yeah, we can put it in that way also. Yeah, but just to avoid the confusion, I'm using it. Now I'm using select max. Okay, I'll use it here. Already I have used now. That means already we have written it here. Select this one. Copy this. Paste it here. Now see whether the query is functioning or not. You can just check it here. See, 3 na?
Yes, sir.
Here? That's it. It's functioning. Next. Next, what is it? You have it. Second lookup. So settings.
Create data set.
So I can use the same data set also, no? Okay, I'll let it be. No problem. We'll create a new data set. No problem. So use it here SQL. DS underscore. Yeah. Everyone.
Yeah, SQL DB underscore sync.
Yes. So I can say
Not
DS
sync. Here also we will use source, right?
source only.
Yeah.
Select DS underscore SQL DB underscore source underscore watermark. Here I will use a watermark. Okay. So again, just select it here. Link services. Select the source. And now don't select it because I want to write the customized SQL query. Don't select the table. Use the query button and now write it down. Select star from watermark. Select the star from watermark where. Tell me where. What?
Last to process.
Table underscore name is equal to course. Table underscore name is equal to course. So now, anyways, let us run this, preview it. 0 LPB. Getting my point now?
Yes, Samir.
That's it. So anyways, these are the two things you have it right now. So just do one thing now. Just debug it till here. And now we will take the output of this. And further we will design the rest of the activities. Yeah. So just go to the output. So guys, here you have the output, everyone. So I'm using output first row max CAD. So I'm writing it for the clarity purpose. I'm just writing it here. Sorry. For the purpose of clarity, I'm writing it here, guys, everyone. Look up output course okay, look up output course. So let us do one thing now. So just paste it here. Max CAD first row. Okay, this is the output. Guys, everyone is okay now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Remove comma also.
Then again, look up output watermark so here you have it. Output. Let's copy the first row. Got it, everyone? Hello?
Yes, Samir.
That's it. These are the outputs we have it. That's it, guys. So finished now based on this. Okay. So anyways, the next part of this will continue on the next Monday. Okay. That's it, guys. So here we'll stop it till here. So I'll just save this file and we'll just continue and complete it in the next class.
So just want to ask one question. If we have 10 tasks, then we have to create 10 watermark table for that. If you have 10 different tasks of table to table, then we have to create 10, I think 10 watermark table.
In one, I'm writing conditions, not the watermark tables here.
Okay.
I'm writing the conditions here, not the watermark table. So I'm using incremental.
Shamir, please save that text in the chart.
It won't go there. I tried anything. If it saves, I'll send you. Okay. That's it, guys. So thank you for this. I'm stopping the class. We'll meet again on Monday. Thank you.
Watermark table and bookmark table, you will not say like
Ama?
difference between watermark table and bookmark table.
I told you now, whenever you have a date-based incremental loading to be loaded, we go with the bookmark tables. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Samir, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Hello.